Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out, and we have our drone series going on here. Will it fly? And here is our drone setup. We bought a couple of these guys here. So I strongly suggest that you have fun watching these videos. However, I strongly suggest that you do not try this at home. How fun though, we're doing some series on if it will fly. Subscribe to the channel, look under the playlist, and you'll see that we've got a whole bunch of these videos. And right now, what's gonna fly? Nothing's attached, you say? Well, it is attached. The tape is attached to the drone. Let's see if it flies. Experts, what do you think here? Expert number one, is it gonna fly?
I think it may fly. Let's see.
And what about the flip?
The flip, I think it's a maybe.
Maybe on the flip?
Most of our things, they have not completed it.
Ah.
But our toilet paper was able to complete all 4 of our flips.
Toilet paper worked really well, surprisingly. And expert number two, what do you think? Is it gonna fly?
I don't know, because the tape might be really heavy.
Ah, she says the tape is kind of heavy, not sure if it's gonna fly. I'm gonna say it's gonna fly. I actually feel confident on this one. I think you're gonna be able to flip it. All right, let's try it out. Are you gonna start it from right here?
We're going to start it from
All right.
there. Let's get it off the edge.
Go to the edge there. All right, let's see. Whoa, holy macanoli, we're all over the place. There it is. Oh, and right in, we'll have to do a second take. Well, you know what? Is it still facing up? I wonder if you can just quickly move that tape and maybe keep it going there.
That's right, Cat.
All right, let's see what we got going on. You think you can get it going from right there? Oh, look at that. Wow. How's it feel?
Good.
Is it, you look like you're pretty steady, so it's not throwing you off too much?
Not very.
All right. Are we going to try a flip out when you feel comfortable?
Yeah, okay. 3, 2, oh no, I pressed the land button.
Oh, he pulled it off even after doing the land button. All right, get control, get control.
3, 2, 1, right foot, left foot.
Oh!
The tape
Epic crash. Holy cow. I feel like the tape maybe cut through itself and cut it off. I don't know, but boy, that drone went down hard. And that's such a reminder that, friends, if you're spending your hard-earned money on this, I would not try doing this at home for safety reasons, and also because, you know, these drones, I'm surprised at how tough they are, but if we keep this up, I wouldn't be surprised if we end up breaking one of these. We have a few extras, so we're not too worried about it. All right, guys, hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that play button, or I'm sorry, look at the playlist, and you can see that we've got a whole bunch of these videos up here. Hope you're enjoying this. Bye for now.